What we have today is a Casablanca Ventura. This fan is in bright brass with high gloss oak blades. IntelliTouch from 1989. And thankfully, in spite of that, the flywheel still has flexibility to it. I got this ceiling fan at Second Chance a few months back. And unlike a large handful of fans that come from there, this one was in really good cosmetic shape. Really no visible damage other than some scuffing along the switch cap. And the fan came 100% complete with everything except the IT control, because God only knows what the people at Second Chance do with those things when these fans come in. But thankfully I do have a handful of spare IT controls, so I did have one to use on it. So now we'll go ahead and start the fan up on speed number 1. Also, I apologize if the shadow of my hairline is showing up in the shot. Speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. Speed 5. And speed 6. This fan is a very good runner too. The bearing noise is minimal, as is the wobble, which again is rather uncommon for fans coming from Second Chance. Truth be told, I only bought this fan because it was from 1989, which was either the first or second year of the Ventura, and also because I really liked the look of the high gloss blades. But yeah, no regrets whatsoever. This fan is great. And there you have it, a Bright Brass Casablanca Ventura.